Good morning, folks. We'll put a link below to this article and animation by NASA's Earth Observatory on our cracking ice. It's pretty interesting. We'll also put this article below. It's about a proposed mission to Enceladus to look for life. I certainly applaud this. There's water there. Might want to nail down their Mars efforts first. This is potentially the most important article of the day as it deals with global finance, the Iran-Israel war situation, and the potential death of the petrodollar. Iran is going to start accepting domestic currencies, gold, and goods for its oil. That volcano that's been on watch for about 2 weeks in Indonesia finally did erupt yesterday. Last night in the United States we had a lot of tornadoes, as we've had over the last 48 hours, and wind damage as well, to go along with 3-point earthquakes in both Oklahoma and Utah. We did have the earthquake swarm in Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. You can see a little sun-diving comet trek right here into the sun just as those far side eruptions are coming off. Those are on the back side of the sun and won't be geo-effective. Looking here on the solar wind telemetry from ACE, you can see the bottom of this graph is 400 kilometers per second, which is higher than just ambient space weather. So this has been buffeting our magnetosphere for a few days, higher than normal. This was 2 days ago, yesterday, and the last 24 hours. You can see that that resonance is just now beginning to break, or perhaps it's just going down to 0 hertz as well, as we are seeing a bit of a horizontal disturbance on our outermost magnetic layer. Here's Earth's footprint right there, folks. This is on ISWA, the Integrated Space Weather Application. Just Google it. You can see there's not a whole lot going on here. We do have this dark coronal hole right here, which was going to put out a strong, charged up solar wind speed that should actually strike Earth right about the time that Mars is in opposition, directly opposite of the Sun. Probably about late Saturday or Sunday. Other than that, folks, as you can see, there's some magnetic filaments everywhere, but the active regions aren't doing a whole lot. That's the news, folks. Be safe.